the contact right underneath this part. And since she does crack her neck a lot, I'm going to have to give a little bit more. So relax the shoulders a little bit. Bend here. Bend your head all the way down into your shoulder this side. Good. And relax your head more. Better. Here.
Alright. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's way better because whenever I would do this, like I would feel the strain, but not anymore. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's like I feel like a brand new person, but not yet.
Not yet.
I know you're not yet.
Right there. So right where L4 is, yeah, actually.
You feel